spend a day with me. We are going to the beach. Do not mind how I look right now. I'm about to do my makeup. This lighting sucks, so it looks so bad. I'm not going in because of my hair dye and I just straightened my hair. But we're going to the mall out there, so really cute. I'm wearing everything pink, this top and this skirt from Addicted Shein bathing suit. And yeah, I'll see you guys later because I'm gonna charge my camera while I get ready. You guys always see me get ready, so let me charge my camera. And yeah, I'm also tweaking out because there's no more TikTok and I might just kill myself. It went away yesterday, so yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we're on our way to the beach. I don't think hey guys, so we're on our way.
Yo, you was just on my mouth.
Guys, we're going to Trader Joe's.
I was gonna take a cute little photo of you. Another one later. Let's just do this fast.
Can we get the cake that we got last time for my birthday? The cake that we got last time for my birthday.
We missed her birthday. We're gonna buy it with her money. I'll use my credit card. Wait, where are the fruit?
It's right here.
No, like the one. Oh.
Where are the fruit? Oh, so this is Genesis. She's never been on my vlog.
Her vlog.
Hey guys, so we just made it to the beach. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jojo.
Entonces a que estamos jugando, el tiempo volando, y tú sin mí no sé si bien tanto.
Guys, so we just left the beach and we came to this place, I don't know. And they got pizza.
It was our ass pizza. After you were
So hot. Guys, we just got fries.
You can take it to
Además, es lavable a máquina y permite que el aire circule por debajo, brindándote soporte cada vez que te sientas. Cojines similares pueden costar cientos. Actúa ahora y obtén Angel Ride.
Hey guys, so I just got back home. Do I look like I smoke a pound of weed or something? Because my eyes are so red. But I just finished showering and I put away my clothes and stuff. I brushed my hair because we had the window down and my hair actually not do that. But I need to get ready because I need to get ready for bed. But I have freaking homework to do. It's due tomorrow. Do I just cut myself? Maybe. I don't know if I go to school or not. I don't think there's school tomorrow. It's Martin Luther King. Is that his name? I guess. But yeah, I need. I'm freaking choked on my sneeze. But I'm gonna get ready for bed. And then I'm gonna do some more work. And then I'm gonna watch some Stranger Things. Yo, my eyes are not okay. I have like something stuck in my lashes on this eye. Take my ass to bed. Like, oh my god, I haven't tried this. This thing is to take off your makeup. Right? I'm gonna switch it up. I thought it was. I don't even know. I freaking dropped candle wax on my floor. And I don't know what to do. But I think the fries guy, I think he poisoned our fries.
I think it was disgusting.
I don't know who taught him how to make freaking fries, but it was nasty. I have a pimple on my eyebrow and it hurts so bad. Oh, my camera's gonna die, so we're gonna end up the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I start work on Tuesday, which do I kill myself? Maybe, but at least I'm gonna have money. No more brokey. And yeah. Guys, that's all. See you guys in the next video. Bye.